So the term discovery is a term that's written into our civil rules of procedure and our evidence rules, and it's really part of the litigation process if that's the route you take for your divorce. And it can involve things like interrogatories and requests for production of documents, admissions, subpoenas, even depositions. Basically, it's a formal process governed by rules on how people gather documentation, evidence, information pertaining to their divorce. So typical things that are gathered during the discovery process are things like income verification, like pay stubs showing year-to-date income, like W-2s, 1099s, complete income tax returns, maybe investment account statements for your stocks, bonds, mutual funds, account statements for CDs, savings, checking, credit union accounts, a retirement account information, whether it's an IRA or a 401k, or a 403b, or some sort of pension or deferred compensation. It's important that those documents are gathered showing the values and the balances. Any documents concerning real estate, whether it be appraisals or comparative market analyses or assessed value, can be public record. Financial statements, if there are business interests, business documents, business records showing the interest of the spouse or spouses in that business and how it's structured. So formation documents, profit and loss statements, balance sheets, the whole 9 yards. And then on the debt side, if there are mortgages, HELOCs, lines of credit, personal loans, student loans, credit card debt, a lot of that information is discoverable, so people know what it is that's being divided and how it might be divided. It's important that if you're met with discovery request, you timely respond. And the time for response is written into the rules. So you'll want to consult with your lawyer about the timeliness, because if you're not timely, you can be met with phone calls that tend to escalate the attorney's fees, motions to compel before the court where a judge has to intervene to say you're court ordered to supply this or that or the other document. So it's important that you answer those discovery requests timely. With every case, a lawyer's job is to engage in a bit of strategy with their client. And with discovery, certain documents and information can come forth that can impact a lawyer's legal advice or strategy on the case. So it's important to meet with your lawyer and talk about what it is you've found through this process and how it might be used either for you or against you, whether you file a motion or prepare for trial, or usually better yet, prepare for a mediation to resolve the issues now that you have more documents and more information at your disposal. If you have any questions about the discovery process, contact us at clearwaterpnw.com.